Team formation AI is revolutionizing how companies build their dream teams and how freelancers like me find exciting opportunities. Let me show you how it works. Imagine a company is looking for a front-end developer, like me, to build a GenAI storytelling app for hospitalized children. They simply describe their project to Team Formation AI, and within seconds, it understands and refines their needs to start searching for the perfect match. Watch this, the AI quickly narrows down to front-end developers with experience in mobile app UI/UX design, proficiency in React, and familiarity with AI-driven storytelling. It even factors in location preferences, in this case Serbia, where I'm based. In less time than it takes to brew a cup of coffee, Team Formation AI presents a curated list of qualified candidates, including yours truly. It's that fast, that accurate, and that easy. This isn't just a faster hiring process, it's a smarter one. The Team Formation AI leverages the collective intelligence of thousands of successful innovations to ensure you get the perfect mix of skills, experience, and working relationships every time. Try Team Formation AI and see for yourself how A.Team's AI is transforming the way teams are built.